Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial on MATLAB, and today I'm going to start a series of tutorial on MATLAB, and this is the very first tutorial of the series. And in this tutorial I'm going to cover the MATLAB basic commands that I'm going to use in my further videos. So this is very basic video, you can clearly understand the basics, so not much let's start with the basics. So right now, as you can see, I'm in the MATLAB user interface. So this is pretty much how the MATLAB opens, and this is my command window, which is indicated by double arrows, and here I'm going to type all my inputs and it's going to give me the result for this one. So let's start with the very basic commands in MATLAB. So type in 3 plus 4 and enter. So the answer is 7. No, 3 and 2. 4 plus 5. Answer is this one. If you want to go for trigonometric functions, simply type cos bracket 30 pi on 180. So this is going to give me the result. Now here I'm going to indicate a value for a variable, for example x equals to 4. So it's going to take the value of x as 4. Now when I'm taking some another function such as 2 square root 3 plus x, so what MATLAB is going to do, it will take the value of x which I assigned earlier. So I'm going to get the answer like this. Now also you can use semicolons to confirm your output in MATLAB. So this you can do by using semicolons. Equals to 5. So I'm going to type x equals to 2 into y minus z, semicolon, w equals 3 cos y plus cross z. So right now, as you can see, I have assigned semicolons to 3 functions, so I'm not getting the result at this moment. But as soon as I assign my 4 functions, and I'm not going to include the semicolon thing, so as I enter the key, so I'm going to get the answer as per the defined functions. This is how MATLAB works. So MATLAB basically differentiates between your lowercase letters and uppercase letters. So if you assigned a small letter for some function, so it won't be the same for the uppercase for that function. Okay. So next I'm going to show you how to do matrix, how to type in your 3x3 or maybe 2x2 matrix. So what you can do is equals to bracket 1 2 3, so semicolon 4 5 6 7 8 9, close the bracket. So every semicolon is a row in matrix form. So 1 2 3 will be a first row. Similarly, second row will be 4 5 6, and third row will be 7 8 9. As I press the enter, you can get the result like this. So this is a 3x3 matrix. If I have to get a 1x3 matrix, okay, 3x1 matrix, what you can do is take y or something, whatever you like. So my matrix should be 3x1. So that means there should be there should be semicolons included. So what I can do is semicolon 0 semicolon 9. So this is a 3 by 1 matrix. Now I want to multiply my matrix X and matrix Y. Let's take WX cross Y. Answer. Right? So let's suppose at this stage you have a equation in the form of ax plus b, which is a very common equation in matrix. So you can find the value of x if a and b values are given. So for this, type in your a values. A equals to 2 minus 1 3 0 semicolon 1 5 minus 2 4 2 0 3 minus 2 semicolon 1 2 3 4 close bracket, enter. I have my A. I'm going to type in my B, which is 3 semicolon 1 semicolon minus 2 semicolon 2 close bracket, enter. So I have my matrix A, I have my matrix B. So I can take x equals to A backward slash B. So I'm going to get my answer as x. Now if you don't want to use the backward slash in finding the value of x, you can use alternative as inverse of A and B. So x equals to inv A cross B. You'll see the answer is same in each case. So either the case is a valid case, you can use as according to your wish. So right now, suppose I have a matrix. I have already defined a matrix A, right? So I'm just going to type A. It's going to give me the matrix. So if you want to extract some elements from this matrix, suppose it has 4 by 4, so I want to extract this 5 from here, and then this 2 from here, and this 4 from here, or anything like that. So how you can do is you can take a function which is d 2 to 4 comma 3 to 4. Let's see what I'm going to get the output. Okay, I cannot take D. Okay, 4. I have to take A. I've done a mistake. So E equals to A 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. So as you can see, what this function has done is it's taking second row, it has taken second row and all the columns from there, and again third row, all the columns from there. So this thing is one column, this thing is second column, third and fourth. This one is one row, second row, third row and fourth row. So I have set second row, fourth column up to fourth, second row up to fourth. So this is my second row up to fourth. Right? Similarly, third row, I'm confused. So guys, if I have a matrix like this and I want to extract some rows and columns, you can simply go for extract from A 2 to 4 comma 3 to 4 close bracket answer. So what this function is doing is it's going to take the second row to fourth row and then again third column to fourth column. This comma indicates the difference between rows and columns. One side is rows and other side is column. So 2 to 4 rows from here to here and then 3 to 4 columns means this. So among those two the common part is this one, which is your answer. So like that you can extract your matrix and then suppose if you want to extract the third column from this matrix, so what you can do is you can simply type something and from A, so 1 to 4 because it has 4 rows and then third. So what it is doing is it is going to take all the elements of third column, all the elements 1 to 4 of 3. So this is how you extract. So this extract the column. Now I'm going to extract the row. So just type second row 1 to 4. Okay, did a mistake. Goes to A, second row 1 to 4. So as you can see, second row 1 to 4, 1 5 2 4 minus 2 4, right? So if you want to extract a particular element, like I want to extract this element, this one, so what you can do is you can take, this is row 4th and column 4th, so type anything A, row 4th, column 4th, I'll get the answer. Correct. So Finally, if you want to plot a graph with the function of y as f of x, then you can use a command which is plot xy, and then you can plot a graph. So if you have some values of x as 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and y equals x dot square root of 2, so this is basically x square. Okay, so what it is doing is it's taking every values of x and is squaring it, so 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and then 5 square. So now when I type plot x comma y, graph should appear at this stage. I'm hoping to get a graph. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you in this very first tutorial of MATLAB commands. So I hope you guys like it and enjoyed it, understood all the things. If you have any doubt in case, then feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos and peace.